So, you want to know how to transfer Valorant to a different drive fast? I got you. Unlike Steam games, Valorant doesn't have a built-in move function within its client as it relies on the Riot Client. The most straightforward method involves manually moving the game files and then updating the game's configuration. First, locate your Valorant installation folder, typically found in C/Riot Games. Right-click and cut the entire Riot Games folder. Then navigate to your desired new drive and paste the folder there. After the files are copied, you'll need to update the game's path. Open the Riot Client, select Valorant, and if it prompts to install, look for an already installed option or similar. Point it to the new location, the live subfolder within the Valorant folder on your new drive. Alternatively, for a more robust manual approach, you can edit the Riot Client installs.json and Valorant.live.product settings. YAML files within the program data Riot Games and Riot Games/metadata Valorant.live folders respectively to update the installation paths to your new drive. Remember to restart your PC after the transfer, and that's it.